How to make taskbar transparent in your Windows 11. Hello everyone, and let's get started. On this video, we'll be discussing two such ways by which we can make our taskbar transparent. So for the first method, we need to download an application from your Microsoft Store. So first of all, open your Microsoft Store and install or get the Lively wallpaper. Once it is downloaded or installed, open it and then click on the settings on the top right corner. Then go to System and you will see the taskbar theme. You can change the option to clear from here. However, this feature is in hold in some of the devices, so this might not be applicable to all of them. In such case, we can use the other feature which is inbuilt on your Windows 11. So click on the search bar and type in taskbar settings. Here are different features of the taskbar such as taskbar items hidden, or you can click on the taskbar behaviors and from here you can choose on the automatically hide taskbar or clear taskbar as well. So these were basically the two methods by which you can change the application of the taskbar into clear or taskbar into transparent on your Windows 11. So that's all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.